made it to Riva Gap. Same camp spot that I had last year. Made a few modifications. There's my solar panels. They're 100-watt Dokio. It was the cheapest I could find, and that should work pretty good. Right now I got a full battery due to the drive. Yeah, there's my setup, there's my battery pack. I got the refrigerator plugged into that. I got my tablet set up on a pole so I can lay here tonight and watch a movie. I'll take you around the back way. Blacked out all my windows as good as I could. Got a screen here. Screen on the sunroof. Magnets holding that down. And yeah, there's the inside's a little messy, but there's my 12-volt refrigerator set on eco mode right now. Paper towels hanging. Basically all the necessities that I would need. Packed it all in the totes. Just put a cargo net around the totes to hold them all in place during the drive. Camera gear stashed underneath the bench. There's the cockpit. 680 miles. I left at 3:30. And right now it's 2 o'clock mountain time. It took me right at 11 hours to get here. I stopped twice for gas. That was it. So yeah, I'm just gonna kick back here for a day. I'll stay here 2 nights. I only took 1 image in the whole drive. Well, I don't know what the plan is for sure. I do have somewhat of a plan, but I could probably hang out here for the next 3 days and not see all of it. Time for a cold one. Hams. I know, don't badmouth me. Nothing wrong with hams. It's the cheapest beer I could find. 50 cents a can. You gotta cut back on these trips. Paid $4.42 a gallon for gas. That's the most I've ever paid. It seemed like the closer you got to this area, the higher the price was. Smaller towns. I did pay $4.04 at the first one. So yeah, this is a expensive fuel trip. I don't know if I'll make too many of these if gas prices don't come down. You know, this trip cost me double just on gas. But it's relaxing, fun. like cold beer. That refrigerator does a pretty good job. Figure I'll leave my solar on as long as I'm getting charged. I have to run the fridge all night. Put it on eco mode. It'll probably run 18 hours or I'd lose all charge. I'll just hang tight here tomorrow. See how the sun cooperates. Not a bad little campsite. Really quiet, secluded, right off the main highway. Yeah, I think tonight I'm just going to watch a movie. Maybe make a sandwich. I don't even feel like cooking. Have a bite to eat and just relax. I might see what the sunset looks like. If I happen to stay up that long. Been a long day. Okay, right now it's 4:30 in the afternoon. I got the solar charger still going good. Right now I'm using 35 watts. The refrigerator kicked in. Plus I'm using 7 on a USB, another 2. Got a fan going. But yeah, I think this is keeping up pretty good. I just finished the Bourne Identity.